Hello, Divine Fam. Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. In front of you is the Wisdom of the Oracle deck. We will be unboxing today. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and read the back of the box here. So it's by Colette Baron Reid. It consists of 52 cards in a guidebook, and it's Wisdom of the Oracle divination cards. And let's see what it says in the back. It says, Colette Baron Reid has expertly blended elements of traditional tarot and other ancient divination tools into a sacred communication system. Wisdom of the Oracle. The Oracle whose faces gazes out from every card acts as an intermediary between you and spirit. Intermediary between you and spirit, telling you of your fate and destiny. This 52 card deck and companion guidebook will allow you to interpret her messages about all aspects of your journey. With over 250 independent meanings that can speak to an unlimited numbers of circumstances. Imagery of animals, the elements of nature, and other potent symbols will touch you deeply so that a soulful dialogue about your life can take place. The Oracle is waiting for you to consult her so you may receive answers and know the way forward to peace, purpose, and prosperity. So for those who are new, my wife and I stream live every night, and we do free readings for about 3 hours every night. And this is an addition to our collection. And I will be doing the unboxing. Here's the guidebook. We'll go over that. Let's see. And here's the box. This is how it comes packaged up. The back of the cards. All right, let's see. The first card is Yang. Yin. Between worlds. So at the end of the flip through, I'll put 3 cards. Then I'll have you choose one, and then I'll read the message. Orphaned, not for you, orphaned. To the sea. Community. Treasure Island. Treasure Island, and this one has like a treasure box, and there's a little face in the treasure box. Let's see. Unfinished Symphony. Buy the book. A Change in the Wind. Fork in the Road. Truth Be Told. Message in a Bottle. The Fates. Serendipity. Flexible. Imagine. clean it up. Blessed. Peace. Time for a nap. Round and round. Happy, happy. So I'm just going to go through them really quick so that we can get a message out. Here and now. Chaos and conflicts. The images are really nice. I already liked them. I like the messages, the images, and the cards are pretty strong. No place like home. Milk and honey. Mending. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick shuffle around, and we're gonna put 3. Let's see. Let's go through the book really quick. Okay, so it says to do one card reading, ask one of these questions. What do I need to know about X now? What is the next right action to take regarding X? Where am I healing regarding? Where am I heading regarding X? What do I need to learn regarding? What will be the result if I take this action? What am I not seeing? Okay, so I'm going to choose what is the collective not seeing. Okay, what is the collective not seeing? I'm going to put 3 cards and then you choose one, and then I'm going to read the message. Okay, without you seeing, there's just 1, 2, and 3. So I'll give you some time so you could choose one, and then I'll read what are you not seeing. So if you need to pause, go ahead and pause. And then you could, so let's see, let's go with those of you who chose number 1, blessed. Let's see what blessed. So part of the collective, I see that you're not seeing your blessings. Okay, so just intuitively, I can say that your spirit guides want you to be grateful. But let's see what the message in the book says for blessed. So if you would like to purchase this This deck is pretty much, and you can read intuitively, which is nice. So like I said, from what I'm seeing is that for the collective part that chose this card, is telling you to count your blessings and be grateful for what you have. Okay, so let me go to the front and find blessed. PJ3. Okay, so blessed, and it has, I'll show you, it says essential meaning, something wonderful that is unearned and unexpected, grace that is an unforeseen gift from spirit. There are no, wait, let me, I can't read it to the camera, sorry. The oracle message, there are moments in life when, out of the blue, it seems that everything has been orchestrated by divine intervention. You feel blessed in ways that are difficult to express. It as if the Red Sea parts in front of you and events come together to banish your troubles easily and naturally. You know deep down you did not deserve any of it. And yet here you are. This is one of those times, let awe and gratitude. You see, that's what I let awe and gratitude for all your blessings guide you. And relationship message. You are moving towards a depending of intimacy in a unique and sacred partnership. You know you are meant to make this connection, this union, blessed by divine, will bring transformation and beauty to the world. This is also a sign that, even more important, you're being called to a deeper intimacy with yourself and spirit. With this new development, you will see evidence of grace in your life. And that's nice. So that's relationship message. Now, if you chose this card, it also has prosperity message. Unexpected windfalls and good fortune come your way. Now you're in a phase where any difficulties or obstacles that have stymied your success seem to disappear on their own. Be ready to receive the windows of opportunity will open wide. Accept the blessings given to you now. And don't forget to share them. And then protection message. So nice. It has several messages for each card. Essential meaning, the oracle message, relationship message, prosperity message, and it has protection message. Humility is called for now, as grace is an unearned gift. As grace is an unearned gift, you didn't gain this by your own desire or actions. To be who you need to be, you can no longer do what you did. In a way, you have hit rock bottom, and what is required now is nothing less than total surrender. Then you will be blessed. Wow. Okay. So that's the message for the first group that chose number 1. And if you chose number 2, it says time for a nap. And I'll read all messages for each card. Time for a nap. So I was trying to flip through the book to find each card, but it's easier if you go to the front. Here, and it has the page number for each. Time for a nap. So the essential meaning is rest, rejuvenation, and renewal, temporary non-action, allowing dreams to arise. That's the essential meaning of this card. So if you chose this card, it's time to take a nap. The oracle message, this is a time to step away and rest. Let the cares of your world go. Go into a state of non-action and allow yourself to be free of the shackles of your goals, your list, your desires. Nothing is important as rest, detachment, and neutrality. The overly busy mind can block you from inner wisdom. If you don't step back, take a seat, and rest, be willing to let dreams surface and ideas flow through you, absent any force or conscious direction, as you observe without engagement now. Okay, so that's the message for the oracle message. Relationship message. When it comes to matters of the heart, don't make any plans right now. If you're not partnered, it's good to take this time out to get to know yourself. If you're involved with someone, relax and just be with your partner. This is going to be an uneventful moment in time. Don't force anything now. Allow things to flow naturally and a beautiful renewal will take place all by itself. Patience is the key to your heart's desire right now. Withdraw from action in your relationship and give it a rest so that your love and connection can become rejuvenated. Prosperity message. This is a great time to take a break from your busy schedule and allow yourself the opportunity to step back. Your plans are meant to be put on ice. Your goals can wait. Dream, imagine, and let go of attachments to any outcome now. Meditate and take a holiday if you can. Things will speed up soon enough after a break. You may want to make some changes. Epiphanies have an amazing way of arising when you take your focus off your to-do list and allow yourself to rest. Protection message. You're a human being, not a human doing. Is it possible you're suffering from workalism? Could you be the one who thinks it's your job to save everyone, to be there for everyone, and to go until you can barely see straight? You've gone as far as you can. You've worked hard and nourished people and projects, but now you are an empty well and have no reserves for others or for yourself. Don't let your ego keep you going full speed when your body and spirit needs rest. Exhaustion is calling you to stop what you're doing altogether and take a break. If you don't, the appearance of this card could portend a possible illness that stems from being totally overwhelmed. You will feel like a new person if you take the break. Do it now. Time to take a nap. Okay, so that's awesome. I already love this deck. Peace. So, like I said before, they're pretty much intuitive. You could read them intuitively if you read, and that's what I like about them. So I could already imagine what it's gonna say about peace. If you're going through a situation, just let it go. And let's see. Freedom from attachments, radical acceptance. The oracle message. It doesn't get any better than this. A quiet mind, a heart fulfilled, freedom from want, and the soul satisfaction. The way to peace is through radical acceptance. Everything in your world is exactly as it should be. Harmony is beautiful. Enjoy it. So, relationship message. When two people are in true alignment with one another, they have an innate harmony between them. They are as two perfectly tuned instruments playing together. Sometimes it is impossible to tell who is who. Peace is yours and it's to be savored. Prosperity message. This is one of those times when you're capable of clear vision about your work and how you create your prosperity. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. You're called by your presence to step into your power. Just being is enough. For you are in peaceful harmony with spirit, and it shows in your work. And last, protection message. Now is time for calmness and well-being. In spite of temporary conditions, even if there are dissonant notes in the music of your life, all that means is that you must go within and fine-tune the extraordinary instruments that you are. Find harmony within yourself and don't look to the outer world to provide certainty. This too shall pass, and once again, your life will be filled with beautiful music. Nice. So that's the unboxing and the messages. Okay, and these are the images of each one again. So that's the wisdom of the Oracle divination cards. Thank you for tuning in, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you can get a free live reading. And see you next time. Blessings.